guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 5 weeknight dinners. These are so easy to make, take no time, very little dishes, great for this time of the year. I hope you enjoy it. For dinner tonight, we're having roasted broccolini soup, and I've had this broccolini for a while now. It's kind of should have used it up a while ago, so I figured I'm going to make a soup out of it. I'm going to roast it up, and then I'm gonna make a soup. This is a new recipe I just found on Pinterest, so I'm trying it out. I don't have celery stock, but I think that'll be okay. I'm adding garlic instead. So I'm gonna do about half of it and add it to my cast iron, and then drizzle it with olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm gonna throw it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 350. So I'm also going to throw in the onion and the garlic with the broccoli in the oven to roast. Okay, so I thawed out my broth. I'm going to add 2 cups into my blender, as well as my roasted veggies, and then I'm going to transfer it once it blended onto a pot and just bring it to a boil. For dinner tonight, I am making a takeout at home. It's ginger chicken, and I have my chicken cut up. You will need some sesame seeds. I have some broccolini, some flour, ginger, brown sugar, garlic, coconut oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some warm water. So first thing I'm gonna do is saute my broccoli, but before I do that, I'm going to just toss my chicken in the flour. So that's done, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil to already preheated wok. Then once that melts, I'm going to add my broccoli. And I'm just going to brown the broccoli. While the broccoli is cooking, I'm just going to add all of my sauce ingredients, which is garlic, ginger, brown sugar, and rice vinegar into soy sauce and mix it up. I'm just going to set this aside now. Broccoli is almost done. I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to add the rest of the coconut oil, and I'm going to cook my chicken. So chicken is cooking. I got my sauce mixed up, broccoli is done, and I'm also boiling some rice. Once the chicken was done, I tossed everything in, the sauce and the water. First I tossed the water just to scrape up any burnt stuff on the bottom. Then I added broccoli, then the mixed sauce, and then once it was done, I just tossed some sesame seeds, and I will serve it over rice. For dinner tonight, we are having some egg roll in a bowl. I have shared this many times, but I have, and this is great to make ahead for, so you have leftovers for lunch. So I have 2 pounds of ground lean pork. I have 2 things of coleslaw mix. And then in here I have soy sauce, and then in here I have ginger, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder. And I'm preheating my oil in my wok. And then you just brown the pork, add the coleslaw and the seasoning until coleslaw is somewhat wilted, and you're done. Tonight for dinner, I just made some of our homemade sausage. This sausage was made a couple weeks ago, and then it was smoked, and it's been curing. But you can eat it if you cook it. It's not dry completely yet. So, and some potatoes, and I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to make a side salad with it, the kale salad, and then probably some peaches, and that's it. Super easy dinner. Tonight for dinner, I am making some buttered chicken. So I cut up my chicken and just sauteing it. I already have my rice cooking, and I'm going to be adding this buttered chicken sauce. This is actually very, very close to our homemade, and I'm just trying to show you the ingredients. There is not a lot of stuff that you don't know what it is. Fairly basic. I get this sauce at Costco, and I typically will add a tablespoon of peanut butter to it as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're stopping by for the very first time. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuing support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!